In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy dollar in Exness. Now, you can't actually buy dollar in Exness per se, but what you can do is you can go ahead and trade it. So on their web terminal over here, you can go ahead and search between instruments, type in USD, and you can see all the different currency pairs you can trade regarding to dollar. Okay, so of course you can go ahead and open each and every single up of these, and then you can go ahead and buy or sell them. Okay, so of course you can do this via this trading panel here on the right by clicking buy or sell. Now, this is pretty much the only way you can go ahead and trade it. You can't physically buy it, as I said, but over here on your personal area, you have, if you go in payments and wallet and you click deposit over here, you'll be able to see that you have some options where you can basically deposit on Tether, which is USDT, okay, or even USDC, USD coin. So that's the closest of you being able to get it. However, you can't physically buy it using Exness. You can just trade it to buy various things. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.